Okay, guys. So today, how can I say? I have a plan. I had a plan to start a game. Okay, but not today. Maybe day after tomorrow or tomorrow I'll start. Today I'm going to teach you some idioms. Okay, which is very easy and very known.
Yeah,
Okay, and be ready. Be open your mind. Okay. So you will have a practice of make some sentences and we will have a practice. Okay. So wait, let me go with that. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes, yes.
yeah,
Okay. So the idioms means like that instant of some words you can use to make your conversation very interesting. Okay. Like we have first is the piece of cake. So in a piece of cake means like something which is very easy, very easy. Okay. So you can say that like someone say, "Arey, mathematics is too hard." So, "Arey, no, yaar, it's a piece of cake." Got it? Means it's a very easy for me. It's a piece of cake for me. Someone is saying, "Arey, talking to the stranger is the very hard for me." Then you can say, "No, it's a very piece of cake for me." Matlab, like it's a very easy for you. Got it, everyone?
yeah. Got it, got it.
So make a sentence. Very easy. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm there.
Then make a sentence. Okay, let me give you some another example.
Okay.
Uh,
When
Teaching a English is the piece of cake for me. Speaking a
yes,
English
yes,
is a piece of cake for me.
yes.
So like that.
Okay, okay. When I face when I solve the mathematics question,
Hmm.
and this question is a cake, piece of cake. अरे ये मेरा बाएं
Hmm.
हाथ का खेल है.
Something like that. You can say that like okay, when I solve to the math problem, it's a piece of cake for me. I feel it's a piece
Yes,
of
yes,
cake for
yes,
me.
yes. Correct, correct, correct.
Yeah, go over another one. Okay, Amar, Lucky.
When I speak when I speak the English,
Hmm.
and then this is for me a piece of cake. इंग्लिश
You
बोलना मेरे
can
लिए
yeah, you can
yes,
say like that. Speaking English is a piece of cake for me.
yes, right.
Hmm.
I'm saying, can I say like that? When I want to reach my office or school, that is piece of cake me, something like that.
No, you can say that traveling is a piece of cake for me.
Yeah, traveling is piece of cake for me.
Uh-huh. Okay, next we have the let the cat out of the bag. Okay, like instead of this, you can use another one which is very easy. Okay, the meaning is same. Okay, spill the beans. Okay, wait, let me write it. Spill is Pill. Spill the beans. Spill the beans means like reveal the secrets. Okay, revealing the secrets by mistake. Okay, uh, how can I say that? Like suppose someone, अरे भाई बोलना मत, किसी को बताना मत. So don't spill the beans. Okay, so something like that. अरे Dan and I have told you yesterday about something. So don't spill the beans. Means किसी को बताना मत. Don't tell to anybody. Okay,
Spill the base.
spill the beans. Bins. Spill the beans. So I can say that like,
BINS.
I can say that like I have planned this party. I have planned the party for the Amar, but I have planned the surprise party for the Amar, but then and spill the beans. Got it?
Yes, I
And
got it.
in another sense,
Okay.
you can say that then and I'm telling you my very important secret. Don't spill the bean to anybody. Okay? तो किसी को
किसी को
बताना मत.
सीक्रेट बात बता देना.
Okay,
किसी को
बता.
सीक्रेट बात बता देना. Yes.
Like that. So you can say like that. So yeah, make the sentence.
Fire for someone, but some colleague told the people. So let's
Like
the
yeah,
cat out of the
you
dog.
can
Yeah. No,
you
no,
can
can
say,
I like that?
let me correct
Uh,
it. You can say that yesterday my company has fired some of the employee, but there are some colleagues who spilled the beans.
can I say that?
When I take the smoking, then
Hmm.
my colleague told my mother let the cat off the bag your son.
You can say like that. When
जो मैं
I
सिगरेट पी रहा था तो मेरा दोस्त मेरी
when
मदर से
when
कह दिया
when I was
स्मोकिंग.
smoking, my colleagues spell the beans to my mother. Okay, Amar.
I had big surprise for my colleague, but
Hmm.
my boss spilled the beans. Can I
You
say
can
like
say.
that?
Yeah, good, yeah, good one.
Because
Okay, next is
in
the
that
judge
you,
a book. Judge a book by its cover. I think you have heard a lot this idioms. Like we used to say
okay,
that,
okay, yeah.
don't judge the book by its cover. Okay, like someone you are going to be a judgmental on the someone appearance. Like you saw that person, but you don't know by the inside, but you judge the people. Arey yaar, he will be a poor person. Arey, he will be a very egoistic person. But you don't know inside the person. So it's known as the judge the book by its cover. So we used to say that there is a very famous quote, don't judge book by its cover, right? Okay, let me go for next one.
Okay.
Okay, Dayanand, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
So another is the break a leg. Break a leg like you can say that good luck. Okay, we used to say all the best bro for your exam. So you can, are bro, go break the leg. Means break the leg in a Hindi, not like tang tod dena, something like that. Okay, break the leg means like just out as go is the wishes for the good luck. Okay, like you can say that like
Yes, yes.
you can use in a like a normal way. Like someone is going to give the exam, so you can say yeah bro, break the leg. Means all the best. Okay.
Okay, yes.
So make the sentence. You can say that, okay,
Okay.
sorry. Yeah, go on.
Okay, hi Umesh. Hi Umesh. Yesterday, uh, yesterday was your exam. So break a leg.
No, not yesterday. Hi, Umesh. Tomorrow is your exam, so break the leg. Okay, like we are going to
Okay.
give the wish good luck. Okay. Under the weather. Under the weather means like that. Suppose you have any kinds of not a disease, you are sick. Okay. And someone asks, hey, how are you? So you can say, I'm not feeling well. So you can say that, yeah, I'm under the weather. Means like people will get to understand, yeah, you are not good. Okay.
Okay, okay, yes.
Yeah, you can say that like after coming from the college, there was a too sunny, so I'm feeling under the weather. And another sense you can say it was raining yesterday and I wait in the rain, so I'm feeling under the weather. Okay, so like that you can say that. So make a sentence.
Yesterday I'm बारिश में भीग गया. वेट वेट पता होता है ना भीगना.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yesterday I am waiting the rain.
Hmm.
So today I don't feel under the weather.
I'm feeling under the weather. Okay, something like that. Next is that by the skin of your teeth. Okay. The like how can I say the very pause small amount of time. Okay, like how can I say that like मतलब बोलते हैं ना एकदम एक सेकंड से रह गया. Okay, एक सेकंड से रह गया. So you can say that I was about I was going to attend the meeting, but by the skin of the teeth I was unable to attend. Like just एक सेकंड से बच गया. Like just few second I just left my meeting. There is also one sentence. Maddie caught the train by the skin of her teeth. मतलब एक सेकंड से बच गया था, नहीं तो पकड़ जाता, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज दैट लाइक आई कुड ईट अ हॉर्स. ओके, मींस बहुत भूखा. बहुत भूखा यू से दैट लाइक बोलते हैं ना पेट में चूहे कूद रहे हैं, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके. And you can say that like whole day I haven't had my food, now I could eat a horse. Like बहुत भूखा हूं मैं, something like that.
You know na today is my feast. So I feel could eat horse.
Okay. Even you can say that like yeah, I ordered a big burger. I could eat a horse. Since there is a one another thing is that how can I say? Mm, beat around the bus. Beat around the bus means like how can I say in a Hindi if you wanted to know, so मतलब बात को बदलना. Okay, बात को बदलना means तुम बातें कर रहे हो like yeah you are talking about someone to अरे how is your girlfriend, but that person are not interested to tell, so they will say अरे यार छोड़ो ना कुछ अलग बातें करते हैं. So you can say that अरे don't beat around the bus. Okay, and something like that. Jैसे next you can say that like yeah I was asking to the Dayanand about his salary, but he start beating around the bus. मतलब कि point cut to cut बात नहीं, बातों को घुमाना in the sense. Got it?
Yes, yes, got it, got it.
Hmm. So you can another example is that like how can I say yesterday in the news the anchor was beating around the bus. Okay, मतलब कि वो चीजों को घुमा रहा था, पॉइंट पे नहीं आ रहा था. ओके, सो यू समवन अगर कोई आदमी बोलते हैं ना भाई सीधा सीधा पॉइंट पे आना, तो बोल सकते हो अरे यार डोंट बीट अराउंड द बस. ओके, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
You know, Chandan, yesterday I met a broker.
ओके,
Then he bet around the bus so many times.
हाँ he was beating around the bus. Yeah, you can say like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the another make another sentence. You can say that like nowadays salesman always beat around the bus, not come on the point, right? And even on the social media, there are so many YouTube videos who beat around the bus. Okay, next, once in a blue moon. Okay, once in a blue moon का मतलब होता है कि like how can I say that? बहुत दिनों बाद, कभी कभार. Like suppose तुम if you ask to me, hey, do
ईद का
you
चांद.
something like that. Eat ka chance. You can say that. Like you can say that like hey, do
7
you
बजे शाम में पहुंच जाना.
अरे not like that. Okay. मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ. Let me give you the example. Suppose I ask to the Amar, अरे Amar, do you drink? Amar will say not daily, but yeah, once in a blue moon. मतलब कि 3-4 महीने का gap. Okay, once in a blue moon, so like 3-4 months gap. So you can say that like yeah, once in a blue moon I used to go to the theater. Once in a blue moon I used to talk with my friend. Once in a blue moon I used to go for the restaurant. Once in a blue moon I used to travel somewhere. You can say that have a butterfly in how can I say that, butterfly in your stomach. How can I say that किसी भी चीज को लेकर के like for something you are very excited sometimes, and sometimes you get nervous. So you can say that like how can I say, suppose you won the prize, okay, in your college. So you can say that I have a butterflies in my stomach, मतलब कि like you are very nervous also to taking the prize with the so many audience. And even you are a kinds of a person like you are very excited, so but have a butterfly in your stomach. Okay, so Jamal had a butterfly in his stomach as he waited for his date outside the restaurant. Got it? You can say that I had a butterfly in my stomach when I met first time in my girlfriend. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
But it was real.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, obviously, bro.
Then go on. Next is that like how can I say a tough cookie. Tough cookie means like a very strong. Okay, you can say that yeah, Amar is a tough cookie. Like you are a kind of a very physically and emotionally strong person. Okay, you can say that I'm a tough cookie because I don't care what people are talking about me. On the ball. On the ball means like how can I say that? Alert and efficient. You can say that like be on the ball because nowadays on the social media there are so many frauds are going on. So be on the ball. Okay, be on the ball.
Okay.
Yeah, while traveling in the bus, be on the bus. While riding the motorcycle, be on the bus. Sorry, be on the ball. Sorry, be on the ball. So like be alert. बोलते हैं ना, yeah, be alert. Take care, something like this. So be on the ball. You can say like that. Got it? So this was all about today, and I hope you learn from this. And I'll request you to use this all the idioms in your daily life, so it will make your English perfect, okay, and give you the kinds of, and जब तुम बोलोगे ना ऐसे तो like you will feel a kind of very confident. अच्छा, चलो like क्या बोलते हैं, show off type का आता है, अच्छा लगता है. So when will you use these kinds of idioms in your English conversation? Got it?
Bro, send me the PPT after the class. Okay.
हाँ, I'll send you the PPT. Okay.
You can
Achha, then
send
I
in a
have also
WhatsApp
one.
group.
Then I have also one doubt. When I make a story, then how will I use in this type of idiom?
A story like you can use in a day. How can I say that? Okay, you can say that. Tomorrow yesterday I was teaching my friend math. कैसे बताओ? हाँ, math classes. Okay, in my math classes, okay, teacher gave me a problem, and it was looking like a very hard, but for me it was a piece of cake because I already studied that question. Got it?
Yes, I got it. Yes.
हाँ, फिर ऐसा बोल सकते हो, like we have made so many sentences, so on the basis of that you can do like that. Okay, and if you have any doubt, just write the message in the group. I'll be helping you guys. And yeah, we have 1 minute 50 seconds. Anything you wanted to share, guys?